Good evening everyone and welcome to today's class. So as you can see, we're still on HTML level 3 part 3, which we're on form basic, right? So I said creating form in HTML revolves around the input tag. We will look at various types of inputs for forms and how we can use them to accept user input. Alright, so let's go straight into our text editor. So as you can see, I've already created a file. I believe most of us now should be able to create a file. Alright, you just head over here, inside your HTML level 2 folder. You create a folder actually, which you title it HTML level 2. As you can see, we're already on HTML level 1, so I believe you've done that already. So inside your HTML level 2 folder, you create your form. Good. Alright, so I'll just go ahead and close this. So now we're working on form, right? And then whenever I want to work on form, okay, let me call our h2 tag first. So I'll just wrote I am currently working on forms. I'll save and then I'll refresh. Good. So when working on form, right, we use the tag called what? Form. So you can see immediately I type it, you can see it here, form. So I'll just go ahead and click it. Good. So we don't need this action for now. Okay, when we get to CSS and JavaScript, that's when we'll start using this action here, but we don't actually need it for now. So I'll just go ahead and delete it. Okay, now open our form. Now remember we said that whenever working on form, we'll use the tag called input. So I'll just go ahead and call our input tag. Good. So immediately I call the input tag, you can see that it doesn't come with a closing tag. That's because the input tag is a self-closing tag. It's just like the ing tag. They don't need a closing tag. So what I'm saying is you don't need to come here and then try to do it manually, okay, because it won't work. So let's say you write input like this, it won't work, okay, because the input tag is a self-closing tag. All right, good. So now you can see that inside the input there's what we call type. There's an element inside called what? Type. This is asking you what type of input are you working on. Now if I should go ahead and save this input and I refresh,